Thumbs up, drivers behind the lines. Let's start this match in 3, 2, 1, go!
And they're off. Once again, all 6 robots are moving on the field. Starting with team 1683, the Techno Titans. They're right now trying to get a coral up on level 4. Not quite enough. It looks like their arm did not release it. Checking in on the blue line, team 8080. As well, their alliance partner, team 2415, are pressed up against the coral reef. As we enter the tally-up portion of the match, we are still tied 9-9. Techno Titans with a brief delay getting started. Team 8865, the Dakula Droids, are right now seeing if they can line themselves up to remove one of those algae from the coral reef. And their alliance partner, team 5109, Gladiator Robotics, getting a coral out of the feeder station right now as they make their way to the coral reef. And on the blue line, team 2415, the Wired Cats. Right now they're removing an algae of their own. Team 8080 Sequoia Robotics. They're right now trying to line themselves up with the coral, seeing if they can put it up on that reef. Team 8865, the Dakula Droids, removing another algae from their alliance. The Human Player from the Blue Alliance has just tossed the first algae into the net of the match. With 90 seconds left remaining, the Red Alliance is in the lead. 36 points, the Blue Alliance is 20. Team 1683, Techno Titans, are having some more technical difficulties. They have still yet to move, and they looks like they have a coral at the bottom of their box. Team 5109, the Gladiator Robotics, depositing their coral on top of level 4 for an additional 5 points. Team 10482 comes out of nowhere and slams into 5109. That doesn't stop them though. They go right back to the coral reef trying to get another coral up on that level, and they accidentally touch Gladiator in the process, earning a minor penalty. Team 5109 Gladiator Robotics once again trying to retrieve some more coral to add on to the reef. As we see on the blue line, team 2415 is getting some coral of their own to take to the reef. Team 8865, the Dakula Droids, have switched to a defense position, trying to defend the reef in order to make sure they cannot catch up with their alliance. The Red Alliance still leads 63 to the Red Blue Alliance is 32. Techno Titans still having some technical difficulties as their alliance partner, team 5109 Gladiator Robotics, depositing the 7th coral of the match for their alliance onto the top of the reef. Team 2415, the Wired Cats, removing another algae from the coral reef as they get ready to deposit it into the reprocessor. Team 8865, the Dakula Droids, making their way back over to the Red Alliance side as we have the last 15 seconds of the match preparing for a park. Team 8080 is getting ready to park as their alliance partner, team 10480, is trying to see if they can hang with 5109 getting a coral at the very last possible second. As we stand now, the final score is 75-44. We have to wait to see how this parking is going to affect these scores. And that is all. And the scores are in for playoff match number 4. The fish are swimming behind the reef to reveal that the winner is the Red Alliance, with a final match score of 79-48. The Alliance number 3 will advance to playoff match number 8 in round number 2, and the Blue Alliance will advance to match number 6 in the lower bracket.